falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head.
Hi guys, good morning. I really need to do something with my hair, but I don't know what to do when it looks this crazy. Forrest is waking up right now. I'm about to do my intro. We'll see if he's actually waking up. It's 8:30, I think I said that, I don't even know. And he has not been sleeping through the night the last 2 nights. I don't know what's going on because he's been sleeping through the night for a while now, but we're not on a good schedule. So I'm gonna try and focus on that right now. I'm staring at him on my phone, and I'm so glad I got ready because when I don't get ready first thing in the morning, if I have the chance, I always regret it because it never happens through the day. He was a great sleeper at night, like 6, 7, 8 hours every night. And then he hasn't ever really been amazing at his naps. I mean, I'll have like a random amazing day, but for the most part, he takes like 15-minute naps, 30-minute naps, 45 minutes, and then there's like one that's an hour and a half. But is he ready? I think he's ready for me to go get him. I need to do something better than this with my hair, but we will get there eventually. Okay, so let's just go get him, and I will hopefully remember what I was about to say to you later. Hi, are you smiling? Good morning. You always stare at the camera and not me when I take you out. Good morning, Mister. Bubby. He never looks at us when he's in his bed, unless he wants out. You look like you have a pretty big diaper in there. You want to go change? You know what we need to do is get some burp cloths from downstairs. We need some burp cloths. What do you think about that? Are you ready to have a really good day? You want to have a good day? There's so much on this and he just stares at these things. What about everything else? Forrest is actually pretty content down there. He's lasting a while. So I'm going to try and pick up like everything that's in here because I'll show you. He's going to wear this today. It's no longer Christmas, but I want him to get some use out of that. There's a burp cloth over there. There's stuff on his table. His crib, he still has never slept in. Has stuff everywhere, so let's see if we can get some of that done. Here's something that he got for Christmas. A Rolling Stones t-shirt, how cute. Let's wash it, okay?
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
There's tons of stuff in here that doesn't fit him anymore. It's all in the newborn size. He still fits into like a couple random things that are newborn that are just like super large. But I have been absolutely ignoring putting this stuff away because it's so sad that it won't fit him anymore. We're saving it, of course, but it's just sad. Are you done reading? He's literally reading this book. Well, not actually, but I can dream. Are you reading? Are you reading a book right now? He's not rolling over yet, but he's holding his head up pretty good. You always get this arm back. Good job. So it is 11:51. Forrest is down for his second nap of the day. The first one was 25 minutes. Not great. The second one, he's been asleep for about 10 minutes. And I just made my second cup of coffee. I get a lot of questions about how much coffee I drink since I'm breastfeeding. My doctor said up to 2 cups is perfectly fine, so I don't go over that. I mean, it's rare. It's very rare that I go over that. Sometimes it's only 1. I love these coffee creamers from Starbucks, but this lid is literally the worst lid ever. I just opened it and it sprayed everywhere. I'm sure they will switch back eventually. I'm not the only person, because I said this on Instagram and so many of you were like, that same thing happens to me. The laundry I haven't touched. I told you, see, like the day goes by so fast. It had to be at least 2 hours ago. I told you I was going to put away laundry. Actually, probably 3, right? 8, 9, yeah, 3 hours. And I still haven't done it because I was doing some computer work and then obviously taking care of the baby. So let's take care of some things. And then I'm actually starving. We have some vegetables that are cut up for snacking in the fridge, which does not sound good at all, but I need to like reset how I think about food because we were in such a hurry for all these random things we had to do last night. So we had a cheeseburger and french fries for dinner, and of course like we felt bad about it the whole time, and we come home and as soon as Chad gets home he is like in the kitchen and he's cutting up all of these healthy foods and prepping them. I'm like, well, at least we tried, or are trying.
If I will ever figure out where the road goes, even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
Alexa, play Leon Bridges.
Shuffling songs by Leon Bridges.
Not that
on
loud.
Amazon Music.
From cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost.
Hey, why are you crying? Why are you crying, huh? How long was that? About 30 minutes? We're doing better. You're doing better on your naps. I don't think I even said this yet, and I have been thinking about it constantly because there's always laundry all over our house. And the next house has a laundry room with like cabinets on each side, these built-in cabinets, a big table. Well, it's like a counter, so I can fold laundry in there, because right now, oh my gosh, I'm so ready for that, you guys. I literally cannot take the laundry everywhere because I start folding in one spot and then I don't finish it, and then I start somewhere else, and suddenly I have like 3 or 4 different piles and 3 or 4 different spots, so it's overwhelming. You just want cuddles? Can you say hi to your friends? Yeah, just cuddles. Bubba, you are such a good guy. Yeah.
I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
That was a whole 30 minutes. That's all 30 minutes. So it is 3:11, and all day you've slept a total of an hour and a half. That's not very long. Ooh. 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 we say ow.
He's so good at holding his head up now.
I know.
Wanna be your rocker, boy.
We're going to Target.
About to get real mad.
You told me he's not gonna freak out.
Hey, it's all good. You ready? You wanna go to the store? You wanna go? Oh, it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. You ready? Yay! Here we go.
Here's his little hat that we bought on Amazon though, right?
Yes.
Isn't that so cute, the little ears? It's cold outside, okay?
Yeah. I know, you got so much stuff, you got so much moving to do. You just do
Don't
this.
get mad.
You do this, and it's fine.
So we can throw up?
It calms him down. Yay, isn't that fun? See? How fun is that? It's like a roller coaster.
I checked his diaper bag. I have everything I need except for some burp cloths because we literally cannot go anywhere without those. He isn't so much of a happy spitter as he was like a few weeks ago, but I mean, he will surprise you. And if I'm not actually, I grabbed one. I'm gonna grab another one.
YouTube really is like our parents' generation of home movies. You know, like they always took home movies.
Yeah.
But we don't take home movies, we take
YouTube videos?
Yeah.
There's Valentine's Day outfits, you guys. I was not expecting this. Oh my gosh. We have to get one. Heart of gold.
What does it say?
Heart of gold.
It's cute. I like ones with hoods.
I know you do. Do they have this one in a little boy? There's always like such few options for boy. Oh, here. Of course they have 6 to 9 months or 0 to 3. There's no 3 to 6. Be mine. So we're at Target, obviously. We came for some random things. Forrest is still sleeping. Hopefully that lasts. I feel like the last 3 times we've been here, he starts to get really mad, so we leave. So I'm hoping we can just shop around for a minute because we haven't just like shopped slowly. We're always in a hurry with him. We're getting pizza sauce right now. Should I do a spring shop with me? Because I can't believe all this stuff is out already.
I like that leather thing.
Yeah, I like this table. This is a really nice table. Look at this wreath. Oh my gosh. This is really cute.
Probably like that too.
Ooh. I love this. We're going to do something sort of like this right above the island. There's 2 lights there and I want to switch them out for something similar. I just don't know if I like the style of this one. I want like a woven light there, but I don't know if I want it like that kind of hatch style. I don't think you know what's on you.
Is it poop or is it
No, look down.
spit up on me?
Do you see it?
On my shirt?
Yeah, do you not see it?
You did it earlier. That's what I said. I said he threw up all over me.
I know, but I didn't realize it was like...
A lot. It's a lot. I got a new outfit.
Okay, we're getting ready for bath time, obviously. Oh, my hair is so cute right now. Do you not see this? Do you see it but you don't want to say see it?
Nope. crazy.
Seriously, like you don't see this at all.
It just looks like that in the video.
Is that nice? That's nice.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love?
Don't eat the soapy hand.
Sweetness could reach everyone. There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your
You're
heart.
gonna use your toilet.
Maybe the trees.
There's way too many of these videos where I end it with a mess of a bun on top of my head, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I feel like it was so many like short snippets throughout the day. I didn't really get to like talk to you a whole lot, but I hope you enjoyed seeing just a regular average day in our life. I want to film so much right now because I know the videos in this house are about to end forever, and it's just so insane to think about. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hit the like button if you did. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and I'll see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!